In the late 19th century, a pioneering nurse and public health researcher revolutionized hospital design. At a time where hospitals were engulfed in shadows and darkness, Florence Nightingale advocated that light, fresh air, pure water, and cleanliness would accelerate recovery from illness and play a critical role in human wellness. Her groundbreaking hospital environments became known as Nightingale wards. She believed more than a century ago that better light meant better health. We are inspired to carry on her spirit of innovation. Today, the light of Nightingale shines brighter than ever.